One more to go. A few hours ahead of the official Pixel launch event today, a leaker provides us with many new official marketing images, but also some useful documents, such as the official spec sheets of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Last but not least, we have the supposedly final US prices for all model variants, including the Pixel Watch 2. So okay everyone, I am Ayosh, and if you are new here, don't be shy, you subscribe now. After all the leaks of the last weeks detailing information about the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, and the Pixel Watch 2, Google will finally officially unveil the new hardware today. But there are still a few hours left to check out the latest leaks, which all come from a relatively new ex-user named Mystery Lupin, who is probably a previously known active leaker under a different name. We start with a lot of new and official promo pictures, which we have embedded for you below and above. Further down, we have some additional useful details from the official spec sheets of a big US mobile provider. Much has already been written about the specs and technical data, not all of which unfortunately turned out to be correct. For instance, it is unfortunately quite unlikely that Google has actually replaced the ISOCELL GN1 sensor behind the main Pixel 8 camera with the larger ISOCELL GN2. This information still remains a bit of a mystery. Even the data sheet below does not provide a definitive answer to that question, because no sensor information is given. However, the aperture has definitely increased from f/1.85 in the Pixel 7 to f/1.68, which promises more light at the same sensor size. However, nothing has changed in the ultra-wide-angle cam, as well as with a maximum of 4K recordings up to 60 fps. By the way, the spec sheet is from the US mobile provider AT&T, so the specified radio frequencies, especially in the 5G range, might be different for other countries. The official spec sheet of the Pro model also does not provide an answer to the question of whether a GN2 or a GN1 is in the Pixel 8 Pro, but the aperture of the main camera has also increased here, similar to the base model. The 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a very large f/1.95 aperture is also new here. And there is another positive surprise. Although the sensor behind the telephoto camera is likely the same as in the Pixel 7 Pro, the open aperture is increased from f/3.5 to f/2.8. By the way, this spec sheet now specifies the magnification factor as 4.5x and no longer 5x, so Google obviously returns partly to the specs of the telephoto camera in the Pixel 6 Pro, which officially offered 4x optical zoom. Based on the leaked spec sheets, it appears that Google has increased the aperture of the main and telephoto cameras on both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. What impact do you think this will have on the overall camera performance of the Pixel 8 series? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.